We divide 495 by 2 in long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting it is 0. So we put down this 9 and 2 times 4 is 8. On subtracting it is 1. We put down this 5 and it is 15. 2 times 7 is 14. On subtracting it is 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other numbers to put it down. So we take a decimal so that we put 0. So now it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting it is 0. So 495 divided by 2 is 247 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.